Hello everyone, it's Julie from Camelia Crafts Designs. Welcome and welcome back. I'm just here with a quick flip through of these paperback journals. I've now finished all 5 of them. You did see one and then you saw me make one. Well, I've completed all 5 of them now and I'm going to list them on Etsy. So I'm just going to give you a quick flip through. Right, you haven't seen this one. This one's mainly butterflies. So we've got butterfly paper there. On the inside we've got a small tag there. I did a video on the tags. And I've decided inside these little pockets I've popped a couple of tea cards. These are vintage. They are, what make are they? Brook Bond ones. Ooh, I couldn't tell you what year they're from, but the price, yeah, to buy the album to put them in is in what I call old money, D. So it's pre-1971. Yeah, so there's a butterfly and a flower one in each. I love those. You've got 40 sides of tea stained paper. They're all plain. Some of them do have, you know, like where I've had doilies in where I've dyed them. They've not got really dark impressions, the ones I've put in these. They're just quite faint. And the paper is 100 GSM. So it's thicker than copier paper if you did want to then add other things to these pages rather than just write on them. They're a little bit sturdier. We've then got the little pocket in the back and yeah, another little tag. And that's it. They're all decorated pretty much same. Well, they are decorated the same. They're just different pages, obviously. So that's one. I'll save the ones you've seen before till the end, then you don't have to stick around for those if you've already watched those videos. I did swap the string this twine out to a slightly finer one, which seems to work a bit better. We've got a bit of fluff there. So we've got tag again. Inside we've got 2 tea cards, butterfly and floral. I do love these cute little pockets. 40 sides again of tea dyed. Another tag. You've got that cute little robin on that one. You could add to these if you wanted to. They're just a lovely size, I think, for writing. I'll give you the measurements if you've not seen my other videos. Each one measures just under 6 inches by just over 4 inches. Yep. So that's the second one. Third one, I've used the poppies page. I love that page. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Poppies, daisies, other flowers I don't know the names of. Inside some of these little pockets, some have got collage on, some are just a picture that's cut from the book. So we've got another tag there, more little tea cards. I've gone for the, yeah, I don't know names of butterflies. Oh, it tells you on back, doesn't it? That is a small copper. I ought to read these and I'd know. A small copper and a cowslip. I've had trouble identifying cowslips before. Again, got your 40 sides of tea dyed. There we go. If you do buy one of mine, I always tie them at middle with a bow. So you can either undo the bow, tie it off and cut it off. Leave it as a bow, or it leaves you enough thread then if you want to put some charms in the middle. Yeah, because I sometimes do that. Got another one there, tag. So that's number 3. When I list them by what they've got on the front. So that'll be poppy, that'll be birds. I've got 2 butterfly ones, so yeah, that'll be brown butterfly and orange butterfly. Very technical, those terms. Very technical terms. Now this is the one I made on camera. So yeah, this one's got, I love that little bird tag. I've used the bird inside one of the others on a pocket page, and this is from a different book. This is from I think it's Cookery Notes. Yeah, it's slightly smaller, this image, so I managed to get it on a tag. This time we have got a meadow brown. They're all British butterflies, these, and a water lily. Got your same 40 sides of tea dyed. There we've got some other flowers and a different butterfly. My encyclopedic knowledge of flora and fauna is astounding, isn't it? Yeah, it's astounding how bad it is. I don't retain knowledge. I think I stopped retaining knowledge when I got to 30. Right, there we go. Oh, this is the dog rose. Oh, I've not showed you backs and all these. They do all have, yeah, matching backs. There we go. Yeah, you'll see all the photos on Etsy if you're interested in one. So we've got the I don't remember that were bindweed. I think bindweed's so pretty, even though it's a weed. We've got butterfly and what's that? House leek. I've no idea what a house leek is. Oh, is it some kind of succulent? And there we've got a wood white. Oh, that's cute, that one. Put your cards down, woman, and then your flapple shot. There you go. Again, the same 40 sides of tea and coffee. I do it with mainly tea, and then I just sprinkle a little bit of coffee in and a little bit of bicarb so that it's acid free. And there we've got that. So there we have them, all 5. So by the time this video goes up, they'll already be in shop. Way to have a look if you're interested. And if this is the first video you've seen, I have got a full tutorial on making one of these start to finish, and also a tutorial on making the tags. So I'll link all those down below and put a link to my shop. So yeah, I'm afraid that's your lot today. It took me a little bit longer than I expected to finish these. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist when I do things. I know they're all going to go to, they'll probably end up going to different people, but I want them all to be the same. Strange, I know. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with Tatty Treasure Tuesday. So thank you very much. Bye.